Okay, we are now tackling this stuff. Okay, wait, why is I'm like holding my camera like that. It looked so stupid. So I just had to take a thumbnail because, oh, hello. This is some stuff I cleared out about like 2 months ago, and they're all on my Depop except for like that dress and this shirt because I want to give them to like Goodwill or something, because this shirt I cut it up and it looks really stupid. So, but all this shit is on Depop if you want to go shop it. My very first Brandy Melville shirt. Do you guys remember this? Look at it. I'll have my Depop, what the fuck, my Poshmark, because Depop, I feel like angsty teens sell their thrifted goods on there for like $400. So here's most of the stuff that is on my Depop, and I actually sold 2 jeans and I'm really happy. All right, Depop, I keep saying Depop, Poshmark, oh my god. I tried Depop once and it just didn't work. I put a really cute pair of loafers that were too small on me and no one wanted them, and like it was at a time when they were really popular. So I'm gonna organize this today. I'm not gonna clear out just because I clear out my closet all the time, and most of the time it's like when I'm not filming, because I just get in this mode of clearing stuff out and I don't film it when I should, because I love filming cleaning out videos and I don't really clearing out videos, not cleaning. But I just want to organize this, maybe try like color coordinating it. I've never done that before, so let's do it. Okay, if you hear like a washing machine in the background, it's because I left the laundry door open and I don't feel like closing it. First thing down here is like my tank tops, crop tops, and t-shirts all the way in the back. And then right here I have cute comfy pants, and I have more colorful pants right here, and they're like cargos too, which I haven't worn in so long. So I'm keeping them. And then I have like tube tops like all the way in this like corner, and then I have more t-shirts that aren't as like cute as the ones that are hung up. Let's clear this out. Just kidding. Let's organize this. I tend to leave hangers that are empty in here to remember exactly where like a shirt goes, but I'm just gonna take them out for now. Kind of stressing me out. So I wish I could bring you guys closer, but I kind of set up a cute little tripod right here and I don't want to like mess it up. So right here I have extremely like cropped shirts on like really tiny hangers. So I kind of kept that going, but this isn't that cropped, so I'm gonna move it. The issue with layering hangers and like clothing pieces is like tank tops get caught on every hanger. Anyway, so like these are like super tiny like crop tops. And then I have an abundance of tank tops. Some I cropped and some I didn't. So that's that. And then I have all of my lovely halter tops, which I'm not getting rid of. I might get rid of this one day because I don't really like the color of it. It's like this weird gray purple. Kind of makes me uncomfortable. So I'm gonna take off like the longer tank tops off of this because I need to put those on one hanger. So these are super tiny crop tops. I've literally had this Topshop crop top since I was like 13. When I bought it in the UK. I'm not getting rid of it. We're gonna throw this one on here, and then we're gonna throw this one on here too. These are my favorite types of tank tops because they have like a V on one side and then they have like a U shape on the other, so it's like reversible, and they don't have like tags. We're gonna put all those to the side, and right now we're gonna try and figure out that shite. So I think I'm gonna take off all the cropped tank tops and I'm gonna put them with the ones I was just showing you guys, and then these are all long normal tank tops, so those are on their own. Now let's hang these up. I thrifted this forever ago and it was like long and normal and I liked it, but like I had to tuck it into pants, but now I cropped it and it looks really good. So that's how I kind of keep clothes around. I just crop them and make them work, unless they're like a really good brand and I don't want to ruin it. Those are all my crop tank tops. I guess I'll leave it out in case I have more. Now we have this with cute shirts. This is my favorite shirt from like Urban. It's so pretty. It's so boring, but it's so pretty. Like, I love it. So these are all basic but cute tank tops, pretty much. And then these are all super cropped and cute, and I need to find a spot for them. And I still need to find a place for these two. Why do I have so many tank tops? Here's another one. I've had this one since I was like 13. I bought it in Cyprus when I was visiting for the first time in like forever. So I love it though. And then these are like a shit ton. Then this one's like really weird and like it doesn't really have a place. I'm still deciding if I should get rid of it or not. It's just, it's really cool. And look, it has like little roses on it and like shimmer. It's like really cool. But then the length is like really weird. So put it on here. I've only worn it like once and I've had it for like 4 years. I'm gonna finally put away these stupid tank tops. I'm gonna put this Adidas one on here because fuck it. Put away these ones because I don't really have any other more tank tops to put on there. Now I just have these random ones. Okay, that already looks organized. Like, I mean, it's like messy, but it looks better than it did before. Oh, these are super tiny, like little Urban Outfitters tiny crop tops. And actually, I just bought 2 more of them, but they're like a little bit different. So I'm just gonna throw these on here. These are my favorite crop tops. They're from Target by the Wild Fable brand, and they're literally $5. I have a white one that I wear all the time and it's in the wash, and then I just bought this black one because they're just my favorite. They're so flattering and they're just cotton and they're $5, and they have like a v-neck version of it and stuff like that, and they're just so good. I have a bodysuit with this really cute Urban top. They're both from Urban. And then I have this cool top I thrifted that I don't know how to wear yet. I figure it out. And then I have this cool shirt I was gonna wear to a concert, but I ended up changing my mind on what I want to wear. So now I don't know where I'm supposed to wear this. It was a very summery top and I just never wore it in the summer like I should have. This is what I have so far on organizing it. It looks a little bit better. I think I showed you guys it before and after, right? So far I'm just kind of organizing it by how cropped. And then these are all my t-shirts. Oh, this one's really cropped. Hey, oh, and this one's cropped too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a 2-part to this video just because I'm not gonna color coordinate it today. I don't wanna like film too much. So that's about it, pretty much. All these are like long shirts. I have a hanger. But yeah, this is already organized. I've already kind of figured that out. These ones are a little messy, but I'm a little lazy. My pants look pretty good. These are that. These are my 2 concert options I just kind of threw in there. My skirts that I didn't want to like put up here. I don't know why. I think I just like the red popping out. I don't know. Okay, that's a mess. Maybe I'll show you guys something else. I think I have to organize that closet. So I'm gonna do the top now where you guys can actually see me cleaning it, since in the last few clips you guys couldn't really see what I was doing on the lower half of my closet. So, okay, I have it organized by kind of like the style of the top. So all of these ones at the front are super basic. Like this one I would never wear in public. I would wear it to someone's house. While this one is still the same type of thing, but it's just slightly cuter to wear in public, like to Target or something. But anyway, I just have these like really basic ones that just aren't even cute. They're just simple. Like this Vans one is so like 2016, but you know what, it's a game. So all of those are like kind of in the same area. And then, yes, I know I have a random sweatshirt right here when all of those are sweatshirts, and I should keep it up there. But this one's my Calvin Klein one, and I just don't want it getting messed up, so I'm so annoying, I know. Okay, so this one I'm actually gonna take, it's my little cropped cardigan thing that I love. I'm gonna put it right here with all these other cropped things. This I really want to let go of, but I just love the color. I would like crop it and then I'd wear it way more, but then I feel so bad cropping this one for some reason. It's from American Eagle, and it was like my favorite shirt in 8th grade. Yes, I know I'm 18 and I still have a shirt from 8th grade. But you know what? I don't know, I just can't let go of it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna put it next to this one. And then I have this cute, like, airy green one. A brandy jacket. I have a white one that's supposed to be on this hanger, but it's in the wash, so. lot more organized, minus the like hangers sticking up, so I'll just tuck those away. But everything overall looks a lot better. That is that done. I think I'm done with this video. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Here's the after. This is already like really organized, minus these like little dresses right here, but it looks really good. And then I have these like cropped things, but yeah, it looks really nice. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that was so close to my face. I do want to do a clear out some stuff, even though I'm content, but you know, it's always good to get rid of just a few things. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm out of breath for some reason. I think I need water, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know what other kind of clear outs you guys want me to do. I kind of also want to like redecorate my room, but I just redecorated it in August, so it's a little stupid of me to do that. So I'm not gonna do that. But I want to because I've been watching so many like room transformations and I really want to do one, but I shouldn't because my room's fine. Subscribe for more videos to keep up with me, and then my Instagram is at the end of this video if you guys want to check it out and go follow me and chat with me. DM me if you guys have any questions. I'll answer them. I'd always reply.